The Poconos is teeming with things to see and do, many of them in the great outdoors. Join us as we take a look at 5 of our favorite breathtaking waterfalls, in no particular order, of course. Our first stop is to Shohola Dam. The Shohola Marsh Dam forms Shohola Marsh Reservoir. Created in 1967 by the Pennsylvania Game Commission to support waterfowl population, the marsh is home to a diverse range of birds and fish. The overflow from Shohola Lake feeds the natural falls below, creating quite a sight to be seen. The falls can be accessed by trails on either side, and the view is well worth the steep climb. Next, we visit Raymondskill Falls and Dingman's Ferry. Raymondskill Creek Trail leads right to the most exciting parts of the falls and takes hikers past many interesting land features. There are a number of small waterfalls to view, with plenty of great places to rest and take pictures. Raymondskill Falls itself is accessed by a rock path with fence rails, making this the easiest place to visit on our list. This massive waterfall covers an elevation change of 178 feet over 3 levels. If the falls were straight, it would be just slightly shorter than Niagara Falls. The water runs from a clear pool at the top and works its way down several flats before forming Raymondskill Creek below. Up next is Hawk Falls at Hickory Run State Park in Whitehaven. Although not the biggest waterfall on our list, the view certainly does not disappoint. Hawk Falls is accessible by a hiking trail through gorgeous woods. The path leads over bridges and winds slowly to the river below. There the falls is visible. It is a lovely spot to sit and enjoy nature. We then travel to Prompton State Park in Wayne County. The park is well known for its recreation and trails, but also features an excellent natural waterfall. The falls run through the woods and can be viewed from the top of the Sidewinder Trail. Water levels vary with the seasons and rainfall, but on a good day, this one's lovely as can be. Catching the evening light, the gray stone and green moss almost seem to sparkle. Although not terribly wide, the water runs a long course over several ledges, creating interesting patterns. Beautiful thick moss grows near the top of the falls and drips lazily down in front of the rock face. This one is a steep hike, but it's a great way to spend an evening. Finally, we visit Tanner's Falls in Dyeberry Township. This was the site of many factories and tanneries in the mid-1800s. Although no structures stand today, one cannot miss the unique bridge that still spans the top of the falls. Constructed in 1885 and now closed to traffic, the 131-foot iron, stone, and wooden bridge is a sight unto its own. The falls are located on state game lands, and it is an excellent place to fish or picnic. It's not a bad climb to get to a large stone overhang which provides some of the best views. The surrounding trails are a pleasure to explore, although some light climbing is required. The spot is picturesque and serene, a beautiful location to visit. Our region is rich with beautiful waterfalls, many closer to you than you might think. Spend some time outdoors and be sure to visit the Poconos' many majestic water features.